Here is how you can empty the other storage on your Android. Let me explain that and show you how you can approach this. If you are first time on Foxtecc, definitely become part of our community by subscribing, and that way you'll never miss anything important. So the important part about this is that you can go to your settings and find the device care where you can manage your battery levels, storage, situation, as well as memory, which is the RAM. But if we go to the storage, you'll see a little breakdown at the top, and you can see exactly which types of files and what specifically is taking up the storage. So you probably know that you can get rid of the stuff like the built-in things and so on. But there is also the things like the other files as well as system. And this cannot really be removed if it's system because it has to have a place for the Android operating system, but there are still some files which you can get rid of. For example, if you go back and open up the apps on your phone, you can see that some of the apps which you use quite a lot have the storage accumulated, which is the cached files, right? So for example, it might be a web browser which you tend to use a lot, or some other apps. And if you get inside them right here, you can tap on the storage like that, and you can see cached files. So you can delete it like that, clear the cache as well as clear the data. So most likely the cache files are going to be part of the other storage because that's the stuff which you don't see directly, but it is certainly there. So you will have the ability to kind of like get rid of the files which you don't need anymore. So I would delete the cached files. I would delete the file types and so on. But just keep in mind that it also needs to have some space for the system as the Android version. And for example, in my case, the UI of the device are actually required to be stored somewhere, so it has to have some space for that. But I hope I was able to explain that. Let me know if you managed to find what you needed. I hope I was able to guide you through it. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.